Hi, this is Alex from Beech Garage. On offer we've got this stunning red 1971 MGB Roadster, sat on period looking mini light style wheels with the attractive graphite centre with polished rim, new tyres. Car was restored not long ago by a previous owner who I have to say made a very good job of it. Paint finish is very good. Good even panel gaps, paint is nice and bright and glossy, pretty well all of the trim is new, benefits from a stainless steel exhaust. As you can probably see, it's had a new roof so the rear windows are nice and clear. All round bodywork is in really fine order. There's lots of bills and receipts for the car. Had a telescopic rear shock absorber conversion on the back. Drives really well. Car's got overdrive, which is quite important on these. So a quick look at the interior for you. Seats have been recovered in this velour material, which to be frank is a lot more comfortable than vinyl, but it's quite comfortable. The car's still on a little bit of choke, so it's running a little bit fast, but as you see, everything's either been refurbished or replaced. Carpets are good, new door trims, finished in this black with red piping. Overall, a really nice example. Great car for the summer.